Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the images you'll actually upload. Export each sticker as 320 x 320 or 512 x 512 PNG with a transparent background so Discord preserves edges. Make sure each file is under 512 KB. If it's too large, reduce canvas size slightly or apply 0.51 compression and optimize. Once done, name files clearly like sticker name tag PNG so you can track versions. Now open Discord and go to your server settings to begin creating a sticker pack. This gets you straight into the creation workflow. You upload each prepared PNG via server settings right arrow stickers, right arrow upload sticker, and pick PNG, WebP, or apping depending on animation. For each entry, set a clear display name and assign an emoji shortcut so people can type it quickly. Tags help internal search. Configure who can use the sticker by selecting roles or enabling server-wide access, and preview it in chat to verify scale and transparency. If the image looks soft or misaligned, re-export with different padding and re-upload to keep crisp edges and consistent sizing. You finish by confirming sticker permissions, nitro requirements, and total sticker count for your server so members can access them as intended. Once uploaded, test stickers on desktop and mobile to check color and alignment. If a sticker appears clipped or too blurry, trim excess transparent margins and re-export at 320 x 320 with a slightly higher resolution before recompressing. If uploads fail, ensure file size is under 512 KB and the format is supported. That one troubleshooting tip usually fixes most upload problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.